Hello and welcome, viewers. In today's video, we will be discussing an exciting topic that could help you build wealth over time: real estate investing for beginners. Investing in real estate can be a fantastic way to generate passive income, build equity, and diversify your investment portfolio. However, the thought of investing in property can be overwhelming for those who are new to the world of real estate. But fear not, we're here to guide you through the process and help you get started on the right foot. In this video, we'll cover the fundamentals of real estate investing, including how to identify a good investment property, how to finance your investment, and how to manage your investment property. Whether you're looking to buy your first investment property, or you're a seasoned investor looking to refine your strategies, this video is for you. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of real estate investing. Real estate investing is the process of purchasing and owning real estate with the aim of making a profit. This type of investment is one of the oldest and most established ways to create wealth. The most common ways that real estate can provide a profit are through rental income, appreciation, or a combination of both. Rental income is the money received from tenants who pay to occupy a property. This type of income can be passive, as the landlord does not have to work actively to earn it. Additionally, rental income has the potential to increase over time as rental rates rise in response to inflation. Appreciation is the increase in the value of a property over time. This can be due to a variety of factors, including changes in the local real estate market, improvements made to the property, and general economic conditions. Appreciation is a long-term strategy that requires patience and a willingness to hold on to the property for an extended period of time. The combination of rental income and appreciation is a powerful way to earn a profit through real estate investing. The rental income provides a steady stream of cash flow, while the appreciation potential provides a long-term source of wealth building. Real estate investing can be beneficial for a variety of reasons. One of the most significant advantages is passive income. With the right property and tenants, real estate investing can provide a consistent and reliable source of income without requiring ongoing active involvement from the investor. Another advantage of real estate investing is the potential for long-term wealth building. Real estate is an asset that tends to appreciate over time, meaning that investors can build significant wealth by holding onto their properties for extended periods of time. Real estate investing also comes with a variety of tax benefits. These benefits can include deductions for expenses related to the property, depreciation, and the ability to defer capital gains taxes through a 1031 exchange. Finally, real estate investing can be an excellent way to diversify an investment portfolio. By adding real estate to an investment portfolio, investors can spread their risk across multiple asset classes, reducing their overall exposure to any one specific asset class. Overall, real estate investing can be a powerful way to create wealth and generate passive income. By understanding the various ways that real estate can provide a profit and the advantages of investing in real estate, investors can make informed decisions and build successful real estate investment portfolios. Real estate investments can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and generate passive income. However, before jumping into the world of real estate, it's essential to understand the different types of investments available and their pros and cons. In this section, we'll discuss 4 popular types of real estate investments: rental properties, commercial real estate investment trusts, REITs, and real estate crowdfunding. Rental properties are a common type of real estate investment. They can include single-family homes or multi-family properties, such as duplexes or apartment complexes. The main advantage of rental properties is that they can provide steady monthly income through rent payments. Additionally, rental properties can appreciate in value over time, providing long-term investment growth. However, owning a rental property can also be a lot of work. As a landlord, you are responsible for maintenance, repairs, and finding tenants. Commercial real estate refers to properties used for business purposes. This includes office buildings, retail spaces, and industrial properties. Commercial real estate investments can provide higher returns than residential properties, but they also require higher initial investments. Another potential disadvantage of commercial real estate investments is that they can be more challenging to manage than residential properties. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are a type of investment that allows individuals to invest in a portfolio of properties managed by a professional team. REITs can provide exposure to a wide range of real estate sectors, including residential, commercial, and industrial properties. Additionally, REITs can offer liquidity, allowing investors to buy and sell shares more easily than owning physical properties. On the other hand, REITs can be subject to market volatility and management fees, which can impact returns. Real estate crowdfunding is a newer type of investment that allows individuals to invest in real estate projects with smaller amounts of money. Crowdfunding platforms connect investors with real estate developers who are looking for funding for their projects. This can provide an opportunity for diversification, as investors can invest in multiple projects with lower minimum investments. However, real estate crowdfunding investments can be riskier than other types of investments, as the projects may not be fully funded or may not generate the expected returns. Choosing the right type of real estate investment depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. Consider your investment horizon, liquidity needs, and the amount of capital you are willing to invest. If you're new to real estate investing, it may be best to start with rental properties, as they can provide a steady stream of income and appreciation potential. On the other hand, if you have a higher risk tolerance and are looking for higher returns, commercial real estate or real estate crowdfunding may be more appropriate. It's also essential to do your research, including conducting due diligence on potential properties or projects, to ensure that your investments align with your goals and risk profile. When it comes to financing your real estate investment, there are several options available to you. In this section, we'll explore the various ways you can finance your investment, including conventional financing, hard money loans, private lending, and self-directed IRAs. Conventional financing is the most common way to finance a real estate investment. This involves obtaining a mortgage loan from a bank or other financial institution. The advantage of conventional financing is that it typically offers lower interest rates and longer repayment terms than other types of loans. However, the application process can be lengthy and time-consuming, and approval is not guaranteed. Hard money loans, on the other hand, are a type of short-term, high-interest loan that is secured by the property itself. These loans are typically used by real estate investors who need quick access to funds or who do not qualify for traditional financing. The advantage of hard money loans is that they are easier to obtain and have a faster approval process than conventional financing. However, they come with much higher interest rates and fees. Private lending is another option for financing your real estate investment. This involves borrowing money from a private individual or group of investors. Private lending can offer more flexible terms than conventional financing, and approval is often faster. However, interest rates and fees can be higher than with conventional financing. Finally, self-directed IRAs can be used to finance a real estate investment. This involves using funds from a self-directed IRA to purchase the property. The advantage of this option is that it allows you to invest in real estate while enjoying the tax benefits of an IRA. However, the rules governing self-directed IRAs can be complex, and there are restrictions on how you can use the funds. When choosing the right financing option for your real estate investment, it's important to consider the advantages and disadvantages of each option. Think about your investment goals, your financial situation, and your timeline for repayment. It's also important to do your research and shop around for the best rates and terms. In summary, there are several ways to finance a real estate investment, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. By considering your options carefully and doing your research, you can choose the financing option that best fits your needs and helps you achieve your investment goals. Determining your investment strategy before looking for properties is crucial because it helps you narrow down your options and focus on the properties that align with your goals. For example, if your strategy is to invest in rental properties, you would look for properties that have high rental yields and strong potential for appreciation over time. To research your target market and find potential investment properties, start by analyzing the local real estate market. Look for areas with high demand, low vacancy rates, and strong rental yields. You can also research demographic data to understand the target renters or buyers for your property. Once you have a good understanding of your target market, start looking for potential investment properties through real estate listings such as Zillow or Redfin, and networking with real estate professionals such as real estate agents, property managers, and investors. Attend local real estate events, join online forums and social media groups, and reach out to real estate professionals for recommendations. When analyzing potential properties, look for key factors such as location, condition, and potential for cash flow and appreciation. Consider the property's proximity to amenities such as schools, shopping centers, and public transportation, as well as its overall condition and potential repair costs. Analyze the rental income potential and expenses such as property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs to determine the potential cash flow. Additionally, it's important to conduct a thorough inspection of the property and review any available documentation, such as title reports, inspection reports, and financial statements. These steps will help you make an informed decision and avoid potential pitfalls. Overall, being diligent in your research and analysis will help you find the right investment properties that align with your investment strategy and goals. Conducting due diligence before making an offer on a property is crucial to minimize risk and ensure that the investment is worthwhile. Due diligence is a comprehensive investigation and analysis of a property's physical, financial, and legal aspects. The purpose of due diligence is to provide the buyer with a thorough understanding of the property's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and risks, so they can make an informed decision and negotiate better terms. There are various aspects of due diligence, including property inspection, financial analysis, and market analysis. Property inspection involves examining the physical condition of the property, including its structure, systems, and equipment, to identify any potential issues or defects. A property inspector may examine the roof, foundation, plumbing, electrical, heating, and cooling systems, among others, and provide a detailed report of their findings. A thorough property inspection can help the buyer estimate the cost of repairs and maintenance and negotiate a lower price or request repairs or upgrades as a condition of the sale. Financial analysis involves reviewing the property's income and expenses, including rent rolls, operating expenses, and capital expenditures, to determine its profitability and cash flow potential. A financial analysis may also involve projecting future income and expenses based on market trends in the property's historical performance. A buyer may also review the property's leases, contracts, and other legal documents to ensure that they are valid and enforceable. Market analysis involves researching the local real estate market, including trends, demographics, supply and demand, and competition, to evaluate the property's location and potential for growth. A buyer may also consider factors such as zoning regulations, environmental issues, and access to public transportation and amenities. To conduct due diligence effectively, buyers should start by creating a checklist of all the items they need to investigate and gather information on. They should also hire qualified professionals such as property inspectors, appraisers, and attorneys to assist them in their investigation. Buyers should be thorough in their review of all documents, contracts, and leases, and ensure that they understand any legal implications of the purchase. It's also essential to visit the property multiple times and engage with tenants and property managers to gain a comprehensive understanding of the property. Some common mistakes to avoid when conducting due diligence include rushing the process, relying too heavily on seller-provided information, overlooking potential issues, and failing to perform a thorough analysis. It's crucial to take the time to conduct a detailed investigation and seek professional advice to ensure that the investment is sound and profitable. Making an offer on a property involves presenting a written proposal to the seller outlining the terms and conditions of the purchase. To negotiate the purchase price, the buyer must conduct market research to determine the fair market value of the property. Factors such as location, size, condition, and demand all play a role in determining the property's worth. Based on this research, the buyer can then determine an appropriate offer price. Once the offer is presented to the seller, negotiations can begin. It's important to keep in mind that the seller may counteroffer or reject the initial offer, and the buyer may need to make several counteroffers before a final agreement is reached. The key to successful negotiation is being clear about your budget and your priorities, as well as being flexible and willing to compromise. Contingencies are conditions that must be met before the sale can be completed. Common contingencies include home inspections, financing, and appraisal. These contingencies protect the buyer and allow them to back out of the deal if any issues arise. It's important to understand the contingencies and their timelines and to work with the seller to ensure they are met in a timely manner. To handle contingencies effectively, the buyer should have a plan in place to address any issues that may arise. For example, if the inspection reveals a problem with the property, the buyer may negotiate a lower price or request repairs before the sale is completed. Closing a real estate deal involves several steps, including hiring a real estate attorney, conducting a title search, and funding the deal. The real estate attorney will review the purchase agreement and ensure that all legal requirements are met. The title search ensures that there are no liens or other encumbrances on the property and that the seller has the right to sell it. Funding the deal involves securing the necessary financing, either through a mortgage or other means. The buyer will typically provide a down payment at closing, which is a percentage of the purchase price. The buyer will also be responsible for closing costs, which can include fees for the title search, appraisal, and attorney services. Overall, making an offer and closing a real estate deal requires careful planning and attention to detail. Working with experienced professionals, including real estate agents, attorneys, and inspectors, can help ensure a successful transaction. Property management, maintenance, and tenant screening are crucial aspects of owning and managing a successful real estate investment portfolio. Without proper management and maintenance, the value of the property may decrease, and it may be challenging to attract and retain good tenants. Effective property management involves ensuring that the property is well maintained, repairs are carried out promptly, and the property is clean and safe for tenants. It also involves managing tenant relations, collecting rent, and enforcing leases. A good property manager can ensure that your investment property is well taken care of and that your tenants are happy and satisfied with their living arrangements. Maintenance is another essential aspect of real estate investment management. Regular maintenance ensures that the property remains in good condition and any issues are addressed before they become significant problems. Regular inspections and preventative maintenance can help avoid costly repairs and replacements. Tenant screening is critical to ensuring that you have reliable tenants who will pay rent on time and take care of your property. Conducting thorough background checks and credit checks can help you identify potential red flags and ensure that you are renting to reliable tenants. To manage your real estate investment effectively, consider the following tips. Set clear goals and objectives for your investment portfolio. Create a budget for each property to help you stay on top of expenses. Keep detailed records of income and expenses for each property. Regularly review your leases and adjust rent prices as needed. Hire a reliable property management company to help manage your properties. Maintain good communication with your tenants and respond promptly to any issues or concerns they may have. Stay up to date on local real estate market trends and changes in regulations and laws. When it comes to growing and diversifying your real estate investment portfolio over time, consider the following. Start small and gradually build your portfolio over time. Consider investing in different types of real estate, such as commercial or residential properties. Look for properties in different geographic locations to diversify your portfolio. Thank you for watching. We hope that you found this video on real estate investing informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments about the content we covered, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos and learn more about real estate investing. Thank you again for watching.